Hi guys, in this video I will be showing you Nox Player best setting for low-end PC. It will optimize your gaming experience with Nox Player, but make sure to watch the video till the end and like and comment the video if you find any query in the video. And also make sure to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice watching. The first step is to open CMD as an administrator and then paste the command that I have given in the description. Once you have pasted it, then open power and sleep setting. After you have opened the power and sleep setting, on the right side there will be an option on additional power setting. Just click on it and you will get a new option named as ultimate performance. Just enable that option and you will get your ultimate performance. The next step is graphic setting. To do this, type graphic setting in the search bar and open it. Once you have opened it, browse for Nox Player. It will be usually on your desktop. There it is. Then in the options, set it to high performance mode. The next step is to disable startup programs. To do this, open Task Manager and in the Task Manager, open the Startup tab and there will be lots of programs enabled there. If you find it unnecessary, then disable it. You can disable it by right clicking and then selecting this. The next step is to Nox Player high DPI setting. To do this, open Nox Player properties and then open compatibility setting and set the program to run as administrator. And in the high DPI setting, make sure that this option is checked. The next step is Nox Player's RAM and core setting. To do this, open the Nox Player setting and in the setting, in the performance tab, set it to custom and 2 cores if you have to, and RAM to the half you have. I have 8 GB RAM, so I will select 4 GB. Now in this, select the option OpenGL and the quality to 1280x720, and in the other tab enable the high FPS mode to 120 and the rest of setting will be as it is on. And in the device setting, set the device to Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. The rest setting is not as necessary. It depends on you that you will reset it or not. After you have done it, it will demand a restart. Make sure to restart it. The next setting is to set Nox Player priority to high. To do this, open Task Manager when the Nox Player is running. And in the Task Manager, open the Detail tab and search for Nox Player there. Once you have found the Nox Player, set its priority to high by right clicking in and setting its priority to high. Right, its priority is changed. And the last step is easy. It is game mode setting. Just search for game mode in the search bar. Open it. Once you have opened it, make sure that the game mode is enabled. And this was all. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel, and if you find this video, like it. Make sure it will optimize.